Good afternoon. We represent Plastilene from Caruso. We have a partnership to develop our project that I think this showcase is a great opportunity to present our project. What we call retray. We call retray. That is a sustainable replacement for expanded polystyrene trays, mainly used in fresh food packaging, particularly for sweet corn. We are going to tell you how are we going to transform a banned. Okay. How to transform a banned non-recyclable material today for a really circular packaging solution that fits with the trends of EPR and recycling legislations. Traditionally, expanded polystyrene has been used as one of the major fresh food packaging, but today it is a problem because it's very difficult to recycle. It's a very affordable material, but it's one of the main polluters and contaminants in the streams, even in the recycling streams. So the industry is looking for a solution for this problem because it's a global problem. Consumers are, today United States, 12 states has banned expanded polystyrene, and 10 more states are coming. This is causing that processors of food, of fresh food, are demanding for solutions, and we are, companies like Caruso, are interested in get a sustainable solution. Just Caruso consumes 12 million of package of trays per year. So this is an opportunity to mass implementation to make innovation. Caruso already have tested our trays, and it's performing exactly like EPS. And we are trying to arrive with a solution affordable for the food producers. And the tray integrity, there is a video here, but I'm not going to show it. Okay, it's working. You can see how it is working. And our solution basically is very equivalent in performance to the EPS tray. Currently, we are in the validation stage. So we are proving that in the US, the tray can be recyclable through the waste streams until be converted in another source of high-density polyethylene, because our tray is a high-density base microfoam polyethylene. We are working on working on the intellectual property, and also the next step is to how are we going to implement the mass production, because this is a product that has a high demand. And also we are working with the help from RIS, trying to make an LCA comparison, and also market validation and all the financial return on investing calculation. Finally, so we need your help to get away from the market all the EPS trays that we can replace it for this sustainable solution. That's it. This is our group that is behind helping us to develop this. Part of that are in the United States, part of us are in Colombia. So that's it. Thank you very much.